welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a June ER Young Living unboxing for you. So if you are unaware of what ER even means, ER stands for Essential Rewards. And what that is when you are a Young Living member, you have the option to become an Essential Rewards member as well. And it's basically a monthly subscription, but it's completely customizable. You can change what you order every single month. You can keep it the same if you want. You can completely customize your order, which is really, really cool because when you become a Young Living member, you pretty much just become like somebody who's wanting to become toxic free with their products and everything, and that's definitely my goal for our home. So every month I place an order and I get some products that are going to help create a toxic free environment at home, and also I order oils as well. So this month I only have oils to show you, but I did actually grab a couple more products, but they are all for a present and as a gift. And in case that person watches this video, I am not going to share what those 4 products are that I ordered, but I can tell you later on once I give that person the gifts. I'll tell you later what I ordered and why. But for this month, let's get right into what I ordered. What I ordered for this month is actually all oils, like I said, and I'm really excited. Some of them were to replace the ones that I ran out of because I just was running low on them, so I wanted to order more. And then other ones are brand new products that I have not tried yet. So one of the regular ones that I wanted to reorder is a lavender. You cannot go wrong with a lavender oil ever. And this is the 15 ml. So when you order lavenders, you can get the 15 ml and then you can get a 5 ml, which is the size here. And I will tell you that it is completely worth it to spend a couple extra, like 10 bucks most of the time to get the 15 ml because these last a lot longer. The 5 mls I personally go through pretty quick because I'm constantly diffusing all day long, so I definitely go through the 5 mls quicker. So I realized after about, this is my second month doing Young Living, second month, that spending the extra like 10 bucks for an oil that's going to last you a lot longer is completely worth it. I also have the product guide that when you become a member, you get this product guide, and I have it in front of me so I don't miss out any facts for you guys. Lavender is actually, it's just a calming oil. Most people diffuse it at night. Something that I really found interesting with this one is if you have a cut or a burn and you rub some of this on it, it helps. It smells so, so nice, and this one I like diffusing at night. The next one that I ordered is definitely another one that I was running low on, but I use almost every single day, and that is lemon. And again, I got the 15 ml of lemon because I use this one so much, and this one's really, really potent, so you literally only need like 1 drop of it in your diffuser and you will smell lemon. Like, it's so nice. So some of the different ways that you can use this is you can put a drop in your water, which this is not the Vitality, so you're technically not supposed to digest this one, but you can because it's all like natural products. So you can put a drop in your water. I just like diffusing it in the mornings just to kind of like refresh and brighten and wake up every morning. I love it so much. And then another good way to use this is if your house is smelly. Purification oil does not come in the starter kit, but it is one of my favorite oils that I'm running low on and I need to buy again because I use it all the time. Purification and lemon mix is so good. So if your house is a little stinky, like if the trash smells a little funky, or if you cooked a dinner and it's like the smell is not going away, then lemon is really, really good for freshening up that space. Another 15 ml oil that I'm trying for the first time, so this is not a newer one, or this is a newer one, sorry. Grapefruit. I'm so excited to try this one, and it smells so good. Like, this is definitely the best smelling one that I have here. It is just such a good, uplifting, brightening scent. It's a citrusy smell. This is a good one for like in the morning, just for waking up and having that fresh smell. Oh, it literally just smells so good. This one I'm really excited to diffuse in the morning. Another new one for me is cedarwood, and this is a, this is a 15 ml. And let me read you the description. Cedarwood is a warm balsamic aroma. Cedarwood essential oil can help create a calming and comforting atmosphere when diffused. Add this to your favorite skincare products and apply topically or massage into the scalp for the appearance of healthy looking hair. I did not know that. I didn't know that that was good for skin or hair. I have found that even the lavender as well is really good. You can mix it with your skincare, so that's pretty cool. Like, these are just so versatile. Like, you can do so much with these oils, but the main reason that I purchased cedarwood is to diffuse at night because it is a calming scent and it's a calming oil. So it's supposed to be really good in mixing with other oils at night and to help sleep. So I'm excited to try that one. I actually ordered 3 of these bad boys. This is the Lime Vitality. So because it has the white packaging and is labeled Vitality, that means that you can digest it. Again, you can technically digest any of their oils of Young Living's because they are so natural and organic. But these are the ones by the FDA. They have to put a white label. They have to make a different label to prove that it can be digested. So lime is really good if you wanted to mix it with a drink, a cocktail, anything like that. I personally don't really like the flavor of lime, but I bought this one to diffuse because I'm really excited. I heard this is another good one. Any kind of citrusy oil is really good to diffuse in the morning for just like awakening and brighten. Oh yeah, that smells good. Oh, see, I love the smell of limes, but I don't like the taste of them. So I'm excited to try that one. And I purchased 3 because the next 2 people that order a welcome package, starter kit, not welcome package, a starter kit from me, they will get this in their welcome package. So if you are interested in joining with Young Living, check my information in the description box below, and then that can, about how to get started. And I will add a Lime Vitality in your welcome package. The freebie this month is Citronella, and this is because I spent 100 PV, and I'm so excited that this was the freebie because this is one that I was definitely going to be purchasing to try anyway, especially getting into the warm and humid months. Like, it is so buggy out. So this is a healthy alternative for those citronella candles, and anything that you would burn to keep the bugs away, or bug spray even, you can rub this right on your skin to keep bugs away. You can diffuse it. I've heard of people putting their diffusers outside, and it's supposed to help just keep the bugs away, just like normal citronella. I will tell you, I did not realize that citronella itself, like the real natural organic citronella, it does not smell good. So it does not smell like what I thought it would smell like. The typical citronella that you get like in the store does not have that scent. So definitely not a nice smell, but I don't care. I mean, if it keeps the bugs away, that's fine. I'll probably like rub this on my legs, on my wrists, whatever. This came with my order because I spent 100 PV, which is like around $100. And then it goes up. So if you spend 190 PV, and then I figure out the numbers are like 240, 300, 400, whatever, the more you spend, the more gifts that you get for free, which is really cool. So I'm so happy that I did not have to purchase this. And this is a 15 ml, so this is a large bottle, so this should last me a long time. So that is everything that I got in this order, besides those 4 other products that I will share with you guys later. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you are new, so you get notified of every future upload. And if you are interested in getting a starter kit and starting with this non-toxic living with Young Living, it is so fun, then check out my description box below for more details. You can always message me on Instagram or anything if you have questions. I would love to have you on our team. It is so fun. It's such a good community. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!